Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui. As you all know, the newer vehicles do not have cigarette lighter adapters. Cigarette lighter adapter is becoming a thing of the past, and most newer vehicles, including rental cars, will have USB port instead. Now, the reason for this is, first of all, they don't want to promote smoking cigarettes to have a cigarette lighter adapter. Second, most electronic devices, including e-cigarettes, only need USB ports. So the Garmin GPS units that operate, all their charging cable goes into the cigarette lighter adapter. They do not have a USB option for powering your GPS. And if you use a regular cable, it goes to PC sync mode, which makes the GPS useless. Thankfully, there's a company by the name of BGI, which I made a video about, BGI USB 1. It's a cable it's a proprietary customized cable that will allow your Garmin GPS to operate without going to PC sync mode. However, this doesn't solve your traffic problem. You have so many traffic receivers by Garmin, such as GTM60, GTM35, GTM25, and so on. These traffic receivers also plug into the cigarette lighter adapter, and they don't have a USB version. Today, I'm here to announce that BGI created a USB version of Garmin GTM cables. At the moment, they released GTM60 HD, the high definition one, the digital traffic receiver, but they are working vigorously to create for the GTM25 and 26. I'm going to show you practically a GTM60 USB edition by BGI Corporation. Now, this isn't Garmin, so this is basically an aftermarket cable, but it works just as GTM60. Here it is. I have a Garmin GPS here, and this GPS, let's see which one is this. This GPS is Nuvi 2597 LMT. And as you can see, let me make the screen a little brighter so you can see it's very dark. Okay, so the screen is bright. Now let's go to traffic. Look at the traffic full bar, and the subscription is HD. As you can see right here, this is where you see the HD part, HD traffic subscription, and its lifetime, and is coming off of a battery bank, not off of a cigarette lighter adapter, just a battery bank with this cable. This is the BGI GTM60 USB. This is the good news, that now there is a USB option for your Garmin GPS to receive traffic. But what's the bad news? They are extremely expensive. Why are they expensive? Because, let me explain why they are expensive. You see, this cable is actual Garmin GTM60 cable that they retrofitted. They used the board inside that GTM60 cable. They took the board out, added some more electronics and what have you, and made it USB compatible. So they have to purchase the GTM60 cable first, modify it, and then use it for USB powered traffic receiver. This is something that I wanted to show you, and as you can see, we have full signal, full bar off of a USB and a battery bank. Let me zoom out again so you can see the whole picture, everything. Nothing is connected here. And yeah, let me zoom into the bars so you can see the bars. That right there shows full bars for traffic, and subscriptions again. So yeah, this is something really interesting, because all the newer cars, they don't have a cigarette lighter adapter, so you couldn't use your GTM60 cable, but now with this guy you could, because it has that feature. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can get this cable at the description, and also this is currently available on eBay only. It's not available on BGI website, but pretty soon they're going to add it in their website. The GTM60 cable is compatible with multiple Garmin devices. The list is in that page, and with every single device that the GTM60 cable is compatible, so is this little USB adapter cable. So basically this will be compatible with every Garmin that GTM60 will work. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, by the way, this also works with a battery bank, so you can use it in a motorcycle, you can use it in a bicycle, you can use it in a car. If the car doesn't have a USB port or cigarette lighter port, or if the cigarette lighter port and USB port does not work, you can use a battery bank and drive with that. Alright, okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.